Hello friends and welcome back to Marius Makes. Today in my kitchen I will show you how to make a cheesy onion and potato bake, similar with a Cornish pasty or a savory turnover. Let's get cooking. To make the dough, to a mixing bowl add 230 grams of strong bread flour, 115 grams of plain flour, a teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt, 140 grams of cold lard cut into cubes, and 60 grams of cold unsalted butter cut into cubes. With clean hands, mix and break the butter and lard into the flour. Don't break it too much though, you need to have large chunks of fat visible. This will make the pastry flaky and light. To bring the dough together, add 200 grams of cold water and mix. You should get a shaggy dough. On a heavy floured surface, keep the dough and knead it for a minute or two. Not too much, just enough so the dough is one homogeneous mass. Shape the dough into a disc and wrap it in some baking paper, cling film or even a plastic bag and refrigerate it for 1 to 2 hours. After an hour or so, take the dough out of the fridge and divide it in 4. Roll out each piece, not too thin, and set them aside. That's the thickness I went for. You can keep them in the fridge while you make the filling. For the filling, you will need a large potato, about 400 grams, 2 onions, about 200 grams, 150 grams of matured cheddar cheese, 100 grams of mozzarella cheese. Using a box grater, grate the mozzarella cheese and the cheddar cheese. Julienne the onions. And finally, cut the potatoes in small thin pieces as you see in the video. Put everything in a bowl and add a generous amount of freshly ground black pepper, and a pinch of salt. Also add a quarter of a teaspoon of nutmeg. Mix everything thoroughly. And now let's fill the pastries. Take a piece of rolled out dough. Take a quarter of the filling and add it to the middle of the pastry circle. And fold it as you see in the video. Brush some water on the edge of the pastry to help it stick. Don't worry if the pastry breaks a bit, as we need to make vents in them anyway. place the pastries on a tray lined with parchment paper. After all the pastries are filled, brush them with some egg wash made out of an egg yolk and a tablespoon of cold water. Bake the pastries at 170 degrees Celsius or 335 Fahrenheit for 40 to 50 minutes. Enjoy hot or a room temperature with a salad of your choice. And there you have it, my cheese, onion and potato bake. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget that you can find more home cooking videos and recipes on my channel, so go check it out. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep on cooking!